Hi, I'm Chief Andy King, Chair of the Fire and Life Safety Section for the International Association of Fire Chiefs. Joining me today is Chief Michael O'Brien from Brighton area, Michigan, and we want to talk about the webinars we've been doing to help firefighters learn more about fire alarm systems.
One of the great things that we're doing is really just trying to get tools in the hands of our responding crews so that not only fire chiefs, battalion chiefs, company officers can be better prepared working with fire alarm systems on a regular basis. And so these recordings are going to be readily available to you and released over time.
In partnership with the National Electrical Manufacturers Association, they have a section that specifically works with the fire service to make sure that we remain engaged and are up with the most current and latest knowledge about these systems. They focus not only on fire safety, but emergency communications and all other life safety systems. So we're very grateful for NEMA's participation in this project.
And we knew that tapping into their expertise could really help us fight the false alarm battle that so many of our first line officers are dealing with on a regular basis. So we're going to cover things such as fire alarm control panels, notification devices, how fire alarms are activated, just so our company officers have a better understanding and can reach out and talk to their fire marshal about what they're seeing in the real world and hopefully work to curtail false fire alarms so that when a fire alarm system does activate, we know it's a real alarm.
I think that the most important thing that we can all take away from this is that we can always improve our response to automatic alarms to provide better customer service, but also just to have great familiarity with the different types of devices that span over many, many years sometimes, and make sure that we are able to reset those, respond to the information that it's giving us so that we can make the best decisions and serve our communities better.
And Andy, I think you've been on the front lines. It might have been a couple of years like myself, but people expect us as firefighters and fire marshals and fire chiefs to be truly the experts. And we realize that fire alarm systems are so different across the board. So that's why we really wanted to partner with the experts out of NEMA, as well as some of our own personal experiences to hopefully give tools in the toolbox to help our responding firefighters.
And with that, we hope you enjoy all of these webinars and challenge yourself and challenge each other to continue to improve and be safe out there.